Okay. My name is Mike, and I want to discuss fruit roll-ups. Stupid ass, dumbass fruit roll-ups come in a long package like this big. Take it out. You think you finna have a wonderful snack. You think just off the top of your head, because it's a damn fruit roll-up, right? Then you gotta use your big ass fingers to get every little piece fucking fruit roll-up off that dumbass white fucking plastic shit that take fucking 10 years. Then you finally eat the shit. And it fills up like 5 fucking percent of your damn stomach. You know how fucking mad that makes me? I'm a big ass nigga. You see this shit? Last dumbass fruit roll up I gotta eat and shit. Fuck fruit roll ups. Thank you for listening. Thank you.